I have this. So this is my sneak. I haven't opened it yet. Apparently, it like popped open during shipping. But this is the sneak. This is the Blizzard. I just bought this. Like a little while ago. So, oh, that looks so fucking cool. So there's the container for it. How about that? That is fucking cool looking. I dig that. And then I can go over there. And this is the shaker. Let's try not to hit the mic this time like I did last time. Alright. That's so cool looking. So there's the rabbit. I'm trying to get it so there's the rabbit on it. And then the sneak on the other side. Man, that's wicked cool looking. Okay. So I'd guessed that the flavor of this was going to be watermelon. I'd guessed that a little while ago when they first announced it, and they were like, boom, this is our flavor. I was like, it's going to be watermelon. Because normally blue raspberry is like a watermelon flavor, or, blue raspberry is a watermelon flavor. Blizzard, like a Blizzard Arctic sort of flavor is normally watermelon. It's blue raspberry. It's something like that. They already have a blue raspberry, so I measured out enough water for it in my open sneak container. So let's get that in this one, because as you guys know, I have a different sneak bottle for each sneak that I have. So there's that one. So now let's try this. All right, I'm excited. So I like lemonade. Big lemonade guy here. When I can buy it, I will. Okay, problem though, I can't open the freaking container. It looks like they've used a different sort of seal on this. I could either be wrong with that and just be a wimp today. There we are. Alright, I think I was a little bit of a wimp today. Oh my god, that smells freaking good. Alright, so now where's the little... Hello? I can't see the shaker. So let's finger around for it. Oh, there it is, all the way in the bottom. Come here. Alright. Get all that off. Ooh. It's sparkly too. Alright, so it's Blizzard. It's white. It's all pitch white and everything. It's kind of sparkly. It's actually very sparkly. I can't tell if that's just this. I think that might just be this. Still, either way. Ooh. Considering that my hands are just covered in. Put that there now. I got my little pyramid of flavors right there. Okay. So let's put that in. Let's put this on. Make sure that's locked on good. Yep. All right. So I'd guessed that it was lemonade, but I never actually. So the other thing was that they came out with a hoodie for this. It's white, and as you can tell from me getting my hands completely covered in. Oh, my hands are all glittery. I don't know if you can see it or not. My fingers are all glittery now. Oh no. Is that from this? Well, my hands are all glittery. So that's interesting. Alright. So that's shaken up enough. Oh my god, that smells like a freaking, like a lemon warhead, almost. It's still white. Interesting. It tastes like a watered down lemonade. It was shocking, as but I mean, hmm, it's a very subtle flavor. Huh. This is one of the first ones that I've bought recently that I kind of don't know what to think. Because I was expecting a little bit more punch. Maybe it's because I use too much water. Because I use like 50 milliliters more than I should. Because I use 450 instead of 4. It's definitely not bad. It's just when I heard lemonade, I thought like a little bit more of a punch to it. So I might have to do an update at some point. I'll probably just write it in the comments what my update is. But if I do an update, it's probably just going to be me trying it with a little bit less water. Other than that, though, I love it. I'm all in. Another great flavor. They actually asked today. I'll bring it up on my other monitor here. They asked today in a post about it. They said like, "Oh, what would you rank all the flavors, like that sort of thing?" So if I can find it quickly for the video before I end the video for just it being a short video. Post thing here. Okay. So I haven't tried Blizzard yet. Just came in, but Tropicalla's number 1 for my rankings. Tropicalla 1, Blackout 2, Stealth 3, Unreleased, Cherry Bomb, Blue Raspberry, Purple Storm, Strawberry Watermelon. And I assume Blizzard will be top 3 because I like lemonade. So, I'm either going to have to put this just out of my top 3 or it's tied for my top 3. It's right next to Stealth. It's better than Unreleased, in my opinion. Tropicalla's still number 1 for me. Blackout's still number 2 for me. But this and Stealth are kind of on the same level. Man, I'm so intrigued because it's such a. Like I said, I was assuming it was going to be a hit watermelon, not like a cooling, not like a very soothing watermelon. I mean, Jesus, watermelon. Long day at work. I was assuming it was going to be a sharp lemonade, not a cool, like smooth lemonade. But yeah, no. If you like lemonade, give it a try. So I would do. Wearesneak.com. A lot of good stuff. No crash, no lag, no sugar. A bunch of vitamins, minerals. Fucking company's great to great. I've had no problems with them. And I've bought all of that and a bunch of shakers here. I have a hoodie. I want to buy some other stuff soon as well. Maybe, I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet. But yeah, no. If you guys have some extra money lying around and you guys want to try an energy drink that's actually decent, that's actually good for you, with really good flavors, then yeah, go right ahead. Support them. I am. But I'll see y'all later. Bye.